Malo sei fua. Ia lewa tara no ate tonu le hol. Ia le fa mo le tato e kalesia awa le nei aso wa tofaina mo le fa mati al pulenga. Ia fa ftai vi ia le i fofanga uma fa tau ni uma manuia. Ia le la wa uma le fa mo ia le wa lo atu tau maftanga fa malo tato e kalesia ngalue. Ia le atua na tau via lo wafu sina. Awale ngalue tono ngalue ngale atua.
Truly exciting, truly amazing, truly this day is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. First Whamati ever for me, growing up through the church and that, and through the youth generations and that, and to experience a day such as today, a great day. And being up there and being also in tour, it's like an open home to say, but seeing the vibrant, the color, all I can say is all is well and all is good, and it was a great experience. But yeah, and also to say that things are looking good, things are well. Glory be to the Most High, to God as we continually to hear. And today we saw that not only evident in what we've seen today, awesome, the preparation, the effort that had gone into it, each room, the whole house, even the gardening, the landscaping, I can say it's an extension of the Garden of Eden. So truly amazing. God commanded Adam to tilt the ground. I think it was Nathan and also Hemi, brother Hemi, kia ora, bro. So yeah, it was an awesome day. It was a good feeling being a part of this, and the next generations to come. God is good. God, Jesus is Lord, and truly we saw that today. Let's go, Porirua.
Fatalo fatu I le mamalu marpa I o le nei aso ia fatai po ile o fai wina manuia le faamatia le e kalesia I Porirua ui lava na le fatau no wina le sunga tiako na toina ia o le sa fatau no wina lava si o mato I tamane toina ia nove ia o fai wina manuia mata ngo fia le asia singa na falo le fatengai mai se po eta penanga ma tanga tina ia ma o mata ngo fia ile nei ia so ilona fai wina o fa mati ile nei au lotu ia vi ia le atua fa pitai me o malaka sa ta penaina ta pena fa tasi male atua mai o fai wina foi manuia ave ai lo le fa tawa e fai masui o le mato fa tina ma tanga tina ia ma se fore maru mato kale sia io na nga luenga fai pa pitai me sanga vi ia le atua wai o manuia me uma so I pua.
What is the preparation that goes to a whaamaki, especially from a Whaiwheau's family perspective?
Well, it's not an easy job because the house is not our house. It's our house. So when we go in to prepare and to clean and to present the falele ngaluenga, we present it in a level of excellence. Excellence, and to show that that the falele ngaluenga has been taken care of, and that that we always have it in a good standard, because a lot of people come to the falele whiwhiau. We host and we are always opening our doors to everybody. So not just our lotu, but also oisi foi tangata whengaluenga, tangata ngaluenga le tua, au whengaluenga le tua. So we always uphold the house to a high level. And so when it comes to preparation of amati, we clean and we wipe and we vacuum and we spray with lots of love and joy. But yeah, it's all because this is part of our ministry as well. When we go into it, we do it with a loving and open heart, and we do it for our lotu, because we represent not just our family but our whole lotu. So, Simon Facili.
Thank you. That was such a beautiful and, a deep answer. I think it is an opportunity for the Whiwhi Hours family to showcase the property that belongs to the Aolotu, and also an opportunity for the Aolotu to see what needs to be improved. So I think it's a joy for us. Okay, can you cut that out? It's a joy for us to, not a question mark joy. Is it a joy? It is an opportunity for us to ensure that everything that they've provided for us, our living as ministers and as family of the minister, to show that we are caring for their property. So this year has been an awesome opportunity for, unfortunately, our Kiakongoko'inga is not well this year. So it was an opportunity for our church to go and have a tour of their manse. This is their property, it's their house. It's an opportunity for them to have a look, and for some of them it's probably their first time since the opening, to go in and have a look at how the minister and his wife and their children have maintained the house. So I think it's a privilege for us. Yeah.
So even though our Kiakongo Koeinga couldn't make it today, and we do hope that he is in good health and that he's recovering well, it was actually really emotional for me. Like, I didn't think I would tear up, but I really got teary today, and I think it was seeing a lot of our auloko, like if I makim ka penga, and the Kiakongo would come, the Kiakongo Inga would come, and then not a lot of our church members will have that opportunity to come with them to the Fale Whiwhiau during the Whaamaki. But today there are a lot of them that came into the house, that went further than the sitting room to all the rooms, and they sort of really saw a lot more than just those walls. And for me it was really emotional, because this is their house, this is their property, and for us living there, it's kind of just really it's a privilege, and we're blessed, very blessed, and we're very grateful that we've had that property for these many years, and for them to walk through and see their smiling faces and laughing and telling us, it looks great. That was quite emotional for me today. So yeah, thank you.